Okay guys, this is it. Chapter 10 of my 2016 Mustang with a 51 Ford body on it. This is what it looks like. My 51 Stang. You can notice some of the parts from the 2016 Mustang and the 51 Ford. The center portion of the grille is 51 Ford. The hood scoops of the Mustang. The door mirrors of the Mustang. The wheels, I went to 9.5-inch Shelby wheels in the front and 11-inch Shelbys in the rear. The car has been sectioned 3.5 inches and has been shortened behind the rear of the roof, between the roof and the trunk, 10 inches. Obviously I had to flare out the wheels because the Mustang was wider. Mustang was longer in the front, so I had to move the radiator back. But the Mustang was shorter in the back, so that's why I had to shorten the Ford. Notice it's got a little growl to it. I owe that to my Roush exhaust. And I put sequential taillights from the Mustang in it. It's almost done. This is where the side spot monitoring goes. On the Mustang, it would shine through a piece of plastic bumper, but on the Ford it won't shine through the steel, so I have to make a little plate that goes over out of plastic, and it'll be a little Mustang horse with a GT name underneath it, painted the same color. It has the Mustang filler cap, the mirrors, they cast the little horse on the bottom. When you open the door, the pedal light, if you look inside, you'll see it's all Mustang. I haven't finished the doors yet. I've got the power window set up from the Mustang in it. I just have to make a trim panel to cover everything. But as you can see, it came quite a ways. The rear seats, which fold down. Anyhow, if you like it, make a comment on the bottom. If not, don't make a comment. Anyhow, it's even painted a version of the Ford J7 gray. It's all Ford. So, sorry, Chevy owners. Anyhow, I'll take one more look around it so you can get an idea what 2 years worth of body work and engineering involves. That's it. I'll take one more look across the back. My 2016 Mustang with a 51 Ford body. Take care.